So this is a swimsuit that I'm wearing, very much rich auntie vibes. Look at Terencia's face. Mango daiquiri. $1,000 I can spend for your head. Talk on it once, I don't care what you said, cause your matter. I him I want to carry from my head every night. Good morning, guys. So today, what do we have on the agenda? We have a beach day today. We're going up Mullins. Michaela, Terencia, Shania, and I. Getting there might be chaotic because we ain't car women yet. So we're trying to find a way for all of us to get there to get there at the same time together without it being any chaoticness. But our plans never fall through without it being chaotic. The rain was starting to fall, but now the sun is out, thank God, because whenever I've had a beach day, the rain falls. Like, God, if you don't like me, I'm gonna need you to say that with your whole chest and stop doing all these extraordinary things. But I'm going to pick out a swimsuit, pack my swim bag, probably get a little bite to eat. If not, I'll get something to eat on my way there, so I'm not completely starving. So yeah. So this is a swimsuit that I'm wearing with this cute little throw over, giving very much rich auntie vibes. It's a basic purple swimsuit. I just flipped the top. I tied it different to give it a little zazz. So this is what we have. Ignore my messy bed, but we have the beach throw over, the towel, perfume, cream, some sunglasses, the fit, the mask, because here in Barbados we still have to wear masks, and the beach bag. I swear this is his favorite place in the house because he's always in a sink. So this is what I threw on over the swimsuit. Cute little romper with the little flowers and palm leaves, little beach vibes. So I'm going to get ready to leave now because I'm coming from Christchurch and I have to go to St. Peter. So the girls that are going to be featured in this video, 2 of them have a YouTube channel, so y'all should definitely check them out. I will put their YouTube channels in the description. Terencia and Shania. We're trying to force Michaela to do it as well too, but yeah. Living in Barbados, we don't really get benefits from doing YouTube, so it's not really like a, oh my gosh, let's do YouTube and make money type shit. It's just, let me do a little YouTube video for the fun of it. To the beach. Guys, say hi to my chaotic vlog. Hi. Terencia. currently trying to find somewhere to go to eat because these people prices is pricing. So we are on a quest to find proper food for decent price. Falling on a budget. So my pizza is here. Michaela and Terencia already had their burgers. Shania has her pasta. So okay, so we just finished eating. She has gone to the bathroom. I'm stuck. We're gonna go back in the water for a bit and then probably look to head out. We took some pictures already, but I think I want to take some pictures again because the lighting was kind of off. Be sure to look up for them pictures on my Instagram, like in the bio. Yeah. So in today's vlog, I'm rocking these adorable nails from Lemon Splurge. These ones are the Cupid's bow. Be sure to check out Lemon Splurge, wide variety of nails and lashes, all at an affordable price. Up next, we have these bomb knotless braids by Alicia's Beauty Empire, Beauty by Lee on Instagram. In this vlog, these braids are officially 1 month old and still look as fabulous as ever, so be sure to check her out. As you get from wearing the jeans. And I'm leaving the beach. Michaela and Terence are gonna catch a different bus from us, so we left them. So I feel like I get any vlog here. I don't know. Should I end the vlog here? They didn't know it's a vlog, to be honest.